Cinema pudikuna, jovayum pudikkum. Our dearest Jyotika is back with a bang. Her new movie, Ponmagal Vandal, is all ready for release on May 29th. Jyotika starer Ponmagal Vandal is all set for release. But this time it is going to be on the OTT platform. So no cutouts, flower shower or hoot calls to welcome the movie. 2D Entertainment, Jyotika and Surya's production company, have decided to go ahead and release the movie on May 29th, partnering with OTT platform. Going with the trailer of the movie, Jyotika plays Advocate Venba and the movie is a courtroom drama. A good star cast is lined up. This movie is sure to make some impact on Jyotika's female-centric roles which she chooses of late. In her previous movie Rakshasi, she played an able, daring school headmistress. It is not the first time Theatre Owners Association and producers have difference of opinion. Earlier too, the Theatre Owners Association and the production house locked horns on the release. In 2013, Kamal Haasan starrer Vishwarupam was decided for a DTH release, but later agreed for a theatrical release. With the present COVID situation, theatre owners feel that they may be out of business if all the producers opt for OTT. So going forward, the theatre owners have decided to boycott Surya and Jyotika's production. There are many who support OTT release. Small budget movies can't match with big budget movies and their promotions. So OTT is a safe platform release. In India, OTT is really humongous. There is Rs 5,000 crore opportunity waiting for OTT here. Regional contents play an important role in the market. With worldwide release of movies not possible, OTT gives a boost to vernacular audience. With same day release, the chances of piracy is minimal. Interestingly, OTT is not subjected to any programming guidelines as of now. There is no certification or censorship, which gives more freedom to the creator and also can push for edgier content which otherwise is not possible on a TV or a movie theatre release. With content being the king, here we wish all the best to Joe and the team for the release. But for sure, OTT is sure to stay. No doubt on this one. Watch our channel to get more juicy news.